T, I'm trying to puzzle with that one.
And
let's go this way. Okay, under those. Oh. Under the farm. With the dead ends. Yes, nice dead end. Okay. Wait, no, we're doing how oh, what in tarnation? Howdy, folks. This is Blue, and this is Bessie. I gotta go find my parts. Ride like the wind, Bessie.
Okay. Where's the middle? There's a middle piece in here somewhere where you can. Yes, that's it. Let's put that in the center.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, middle. Okay, what are you trying to do? Why don't you just take this? Oh, you're trying to make it super tall? Okay. You can do this. Okay, how many? Is this tall enough? Is that tall? Oh my. Did we get it? Is this it?
Yes.
Okay. So he has a horse and he has a monster truck.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
This is a dead end, and the train track says it's supposed to go right inside, and then a dead end inside.
Let's scoot yours over, Caboose, just a little bit, and we can use this one. Yeah, we'll use this one. So scoot yours over just a little. There we go. Oh, whoa, got it? Whoa, that was close. Whoa. Oh no! Okay, we'll fix that real quick. Got it? Now we can make this go to, right? I do have a question though, because this right here, it's on these, on the logs. I don't know how a train track's going to go into there. It might need to, these might need to come off. Like it may need to just sit on the ground on this. Don't you think?
No.
I think so, because otherwise the train's not going to be able to go up the logs.
What about this? And then like that.
You know what I mean? Watch. You just have to help me. You have to help me. Hang on, let me move this. Can you move these out from under it while I pick this up? Okay, ready? Ready? Boop, 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 boop.
Put it back down.
I don't know if I can. Hang on. Uh-oh. Yikes. Yikes. Did I get it? Did I get it? I did get it. I did. It's down. We're going to rebuild though, aren't we?
Finally got what I needed. This.
Ah, gotcha. Okay, good. Good luck on that, Caboose. I don't know if this is a good idea. I think we should move this piece. Here, it's not gonna fit, so let's move this piece. Whoa. All right, and we can just scoot your house forward very carefully. Only in Lincoln Log Land can we move the house closer. Okay, that's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Is it gonna fit? Yay! It does!
I'm hitting my legs.
Third time's a charm. Perfect.
That's perfect. And these fit too. Hey, T, I'm trying to puzzle with that one. This is Percy. Yeah, nice and cozy in here.
Oh, yay.
And let's go this way. Okay, under the farm. Next we are going to go to the dead end. Yes, nice dead end.
All right.
Nice and comfy dead end. And we're going to go this way. Howdy! And then farm. Let's get cranky. The perfect spot for him is here. Oopsie. Lift up my tank. Oopsie. Ah! My first day. New track, first day. Yeah. Be back. Be back in a little bit. I'm cranky.
Okay, keep building.
If you don't believe me, right here.
Cranky.
I need a saddle.
He does need a saddle to ride to, Percy. Oh, that's really cute.
That's a nice doll. Mine's on the roof, and I share it with them.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Hello. What is it? I'll just call you.
Crane that's not cranky.
Yeah. We're gonna bring the new crane in. Wow, that was careful.
Wow.
No, that's not a good place. Okay. Beep. Ow. Okay, beep. Beep.
What are you doing? Where is he supposed to go? Oh my gosh. That's perfect.
Okay.
That move was rough. Let's never move again. All right. See ya next time.
Bye.